Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to start tackling a little bit of the suspension. We're still waiting on Monster to either, I don't know, I think they started building the clutch. But for today, while we're waiting for this, our project is going to be modifying the S13 rear subframe with GKTech goodies. So let's see, in box number 1, I've already unboxed all of this, so it was packaged a lot nicer than this with like bubble wrap and all the goodies. This is their second iteration of the subframe reinforcement kit, and I've already tried like test fitting a lot of this stuff, and it fits way better than their first kit, which didn't fit bad, if I'm completely honest. It just needed a little bit of hammering, or my subframe was just shit, I don't know. But oh yeah, flex. Oh no. GKTech. Well, the camera overheated. It was hot in here. I had the bay door closed, now it's open. Anyways, off camera I started cleaning up, grinding a little of the crap down, you know, cleaning up the edges of the plates that we're going to be welding. And as you can see, this stuff fits mint. So we're going to do a few welds around this. I cleaned up another section right over here where, is it this? No, no, where is it? Did I lose it already? I lost it. Where'd it go? I'm losing my mind. Man, I have no idea where that little plate went. Not that one. That one's for the other side. Where did it? Oh, here it is. Don't laugh at my welding cart. This is all I have right now. I also don't have a workbench here right now, so I'm doing this on the ground. But you know the saying, if it's stupid, but it works, it's not stupid. Most of the time. This is where the other one is gonna go. And again, look at that fitment, dude. GKTech strikes again. Alright, so I've got a couple more spots to, you know, clean up, but for the sake of seeing how this new Hobart Handler 190 works, I'm not a good welder. I barely have MIG welded in the past, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. So hopefully it doesn't come out looking like bird poop. I got gas, so that should help. So we're going to buzz a few of these plates on and see how they come out. Alright, well, the first few came out like garbage because I didn't know where to set the wire speed and temp. They don't look too bad. I mean, That's one. And I think I'm gonna try this one next, since I already have it cleaned up. I just gotta clean the plate up a little bit and buzz that one on too. I had a little bit of a gap to fill, so yeah, but not bad. At least the colors look pretty. Alright, so first side is done. That took a little longer than I thought it was going to, but they don't look bad. This one came out pretty good. Oh, I think this one came out the best. And then, oh, this one was a prick. It's kind of hard to... Well, first of all, it was annoying to have to even sand in there. But I did the best I could. That's gonna have to do. I'm probably not going to film the other side. I kind of just want to get it done. But... getting there. I also forgot. So I guess when you do this one, where does it go? I guess it's smart to bolt the diff cover to it so everything lines up when you're done. And I forgot the diff cover at work. So that's gonna have to wait too. So plan of attack for the rest of the night is finish the other side and call it, I think. Alright, let's go.